What if Apple's controversial Touch Bar didn't fail but simply needed a fresh start? Meet the Flexbar, a standalone solution that's customizable, versatile, and compatible with more than just Macs. Apple said farewell to the Touch Bar last year, but a team of 4 engineers has resurrected the concept with the Flexbar, a dynamic touchscreen that works across Windows, macOS, and even mobile devices. In this video, we'll answer your burning questions. What exactly is the Flexbar? How does it improve on Apple's Touch Bar? Is it worth the risk to back this product on Kickstarter? Stick around because this might just be the upgrade your workspace needs. Why revisit the Touch Bar idea? Apple's Touch Bar was an interesting idea, but it was shackled to MacBooks. The Flexbar changes that by offering compatibility with desktops, laptops, and tablets through a simple USB connection. Whether you want it on top of your keyboard or mounted on a magnetic stand, the Flexbar fits your setup. It's no longer just a Mac-exclusive feature, it's a flexible tool for everyone. How customizable is the Flexbar? Unlike the Touch Bar, the Flexbar comes with a Windows app, and a macOS version is on the way, that lets you create your own buttons, shortcuts, and UI elements with simple drag-and-drop controls. For developers, there's a JavaScript SDK, opening up the possibility for custom plugins designed for specific apps. From casual users to power users, the Flexbar adapts to how you work, not the other way around. Should you back it? The Flexbar is live on Kickstarter, and early backers can secure it for $119, which is lower than the expected retail price of $179. While the hardware demos are promising, it's important to note that this is a first product from a new company. That means there's always some risk with crowdfunding. If you're willing to take a chance, you could be one of the first people to experience this cutting-edge device when it ships in February 2025. The engineers behind the Flexbar have demonstrated functional prototypes and emphasized the use of reliable supply chains. They're not just repurposing old Touch Bar tech. They're building something new. Their commitment to customization directly addresses one of the biggest complaints people had with Apple's original design. If you're excited about the Flexbar, be sure to check out our other videos on productivity gadgets that take your workspace to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe for more breakthrough tech innovations, and let us know in the comments. Would you give the Touch Bar another try with the Flexbar?